let's go ahead and walk through the solution, Michael. So,
Yeah.
where should we go from here?
So the first thing that, well, I mean, you kind of pulled it up already. The area of interest that we're actually wanting to look at is synchronize.
Synchronize.
Yeah, because the synchronize command, well, I guess if you read it, it says it synchronizes the loadout with the game folders, adding any changes in the game folder to the loadout and applying, right? So that's essentially what the apply button on the UI does. It corresponds with the synchronize command of the loadout.
Okay.
And so we basically want to run the synchronize command. But to do that, we should probably get more information on it.
Okay. So let's get more information on the synchronize command. So can I do this? Loadout synchronize? Help?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So from here, we can see that we need to actually list a loadout for it. And then it also shows us the option for asking for help, which we kind of already know. But the main thing is really the argument that we need to fulfill for loadout, right?
Okay, so the final command will look something like this: synchronize dash dash loadout, and then we have to put something here.
Yeah.
So can I just say like loadout A?
No, because each loadout has like a specific ID that it needs to be referred to. So to figure that one out, we have to go to loadouts. So sorry, I know this sounds confusing, but so if you backspace, so ./NexusMods.app loadouts.
Loadouts. It's a different command. Loadouts plural. Okay.
Yeah, and then we want to, or if you want to, you can list out the available commands for that. But the one we want to look out is list.
List. Okay, we'll just skip ahead for so list.
Yeah.
Loadouts list. Okay.
And as you can see there, it has the loadout ID for loadout A and the loadout ID for loadout B.
Okay.
So that's the argument that we want to fulfill for the command.
Gotcha. So instead of A, I would put this ID.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try that. So we've got synchronize, and then it's dash dash loadout.
Yeah.
And then I copy this whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you want to, you can like pull up the UI, and then you can see it synchronize if you have.
Okay, let's see if I can open it side by side here.
Yeah.
So I've got.
You got loadout B synchronized right now, or like as like the current active loadout. So if you run that command, then it'll synchronize and apply it for loadout A.
Right. So right now B is checked. As soon as I hit enter here in the terminal, it's gonna. Let's see what happens. Ooh, look at that. Now A is checked.
Yeah.
So through the command line, I was able to change which loadout is selected, and you could see that change reflected in the UI itself. That's cool. All right. So now, so we figured out how to apply one loadout in the terminal. How do we try to do both now at this? Because we have to do both. We have to try to do two. So how would I do that?
Well, you'll probably have to open another terminal to do that.
Another terminal. Okay. Let me open another terminal then. So I'll try to put these side by side here. Just got one there, one there. So let me clear them both out. Clear, and then, so this is gonna apply A, but I guess we want to apply the other one, right? B?
Yeah, so you'd have to get the loadout ID for that.
I have to get the loadout ID, yeah. Let me see. This one.
Yeah.
So this is B.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to do B.
Yeah.
Loadout B. And then in the other terminal, I'm going to do loadout A, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's copy this guy. Okay, so now I feel like I'm again in the same predicament here because I have to somehow hit enter on both really quickly. Right?
Basically, yeah.
Okay. So let's see if I can do it. So I'm gonna hit enter on the left terminal, and then I'm gonna quickly go to the other terminal and also hit enter. And I'm gonna try to simulate this situation where we're gonna apply two loadouts at the same time, and hopefully we can get the app to crash. Or, like if you remember the goal, or supposedly the claim is that if you start multiple apply operations, then something disastrous will happen. So let's see if we can make something disastrous happen. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Enter. Did anything disastrous happen, Michael?
It doesn't look like it.
No. Okay. Well, I'm sad then. So even here, we couldn't quite reproduce the bug.
Yeah.
All right. So now we are going to again come up with another hypothesis. Our second attempt has now failed to reproduce the bug. Our third hypothesis is going to be the subject of our next milestone.